In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create empty pages in Notion. We'll keep it simple, clear, and fast so you can build exactly the workspace you want without any clutter. By the end, you'll know the cleanest way to add a brand new page and keep your workspace organized from the start. First, look over to your Notion sidebar. This is where your workspace is broken into sections like favorites or private, and choosing the right section up front helps you stay organized later. Hover your mouse over the section where you want the new page to live. As you move your cursor over that section name, a small plus icon appears to the right. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you're hovering directly on the section header, not on a page beneath it. The icon only shows when your cursor is in the right place. Click the plus icon. The moment you do, a brand new page opens in the main area. Your cursor lands in the title field at the top, ready for you to name it. Type a clear, specific title that describes what this page will hold. Short and descriptive names make it easy to find later. When you're happy with the title, press Enter to confirm it. Right under the title, Notion offers a few starting options. To keep things pristine, click on Empty Page. This tells Notion you want a totally blank canvas with no pre-filled blocks or structures. Prefer to jump straight in? You can simply click into the body of the page and start typing. If you begin typing right away, Notion treats it as an empty page automatically. So either approach gives you the same clean slate. That's it. You've created an empty page exactly where you want it in your sidebar. This quick flow, hover, click the plus, title, and choose Empty Page, or Start Typing, keeps your setup consistent and saves time. A quick tip on titles. If your workspace has lots of pages, consider adding a simple prefix like Notes or Ideas to group similar pages together in search in the sidebar. It's not required, but it can make navigation smoother as your workspace grows. Now you're ready to add content. Structure it however you like, or leave it blank as a placeholder for later. Keeping your pages empty at the start gives you freedom to build only what you need. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.